What is your name? My name is A. Ramkrishna Patra. What is your father's name? My father's name is A. Narsingh Patra. What is the name of your village? The name of my village is Pailpada. Which class do you read in? I read in class 5th. What is the name of your district? The name of our district is Ganjam. What is the name of your state? The name of our state is Odisha. What is the name of your country? The name of our country is India. What is the capital of India? The capital of India is New Delhi. What is the capital of Odisha? The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. How are you? I am fine. How old are you? I am 12 years old. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. How many months are there in a year? There are 12 months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. How many days are there in a month? There are 30 days in a month. How many weeks are there in a month? There are 4 weeks in a month. Which is the national flag of India? Triranga is the national flag of India. How many hands have you? I have 2 hands. How many legs have you? I have 2 legs. How many fingers have you? I have 10 fingers. How many toes have you? I have 10 toes. What do you see with? I see with my eyes. What do you hear with? I hear with my ears. What do you taste with? I taste with my tongue. What do you smell with? I smell with my nose. What is the color of your hair? The color of my hair is black. When do you get up in the morning? I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. At what time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 9 p.m. What is the baby duck called? A baby dog is called a duckling. What is a baby horse called? A baby horse is called a foal. What is a baby lion called? A baby lion is called a cow. What is a baby cow called? A baby cow is called a calf. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is sky blue. Where does the cow live? The cow lives in a cow shed. Where does a dog live? The dog lives in a kennel. Where does the lion live? The lion lives in a den. How many colors are there in a national flag? There are 3 colors in our national flag. Which is the national animal of India? Tiger is the national animal of India. Which is the national flower of India? Lotus is the national flower of India. Which is the national bird of India? Peacock is the national bird of India. What is the national song of India? Bande Mataram is the national song of India. Who is the national father of India? Mahatma Gandhi is the national father of India? Where is the Taj Mahal? The Taj Mahal is in Agra. Where is the Black Pagoda? The Black Pagoda is at Konark in Odisha. Where is the Meenakshi temple? The Meenakshi temple is in Madurai. Which is the most faithful animal? The dog is the most faithful animal. Where is the Gateway of India? The Gateway of India is in Mumbai. How many colors has the rainbow? The rainbow has 7 colors. Who invented bicycle? Macmillan invented bicycle. धन्यवाद.